I'm going to demonstrate the locomotive carrier and track loader. There's this handle to lift, very easily to lift with one hand, and you have the other hand free to carry some other equipment. If you'll notice, the handle is forward of center because the locomotive is a lot heavier than the tender, therefore the center of gravity was forward, which makes it level when you lift. So you just lift it onto the track, line the rails up with the track, make sure it's on there straight, remove the bungee cord, lower the ramp which locks into the track. There's a safety pin here, remove, you lift a brass block which goes into the chimney which holds the locomotive in place. Slide the locomotive to the rear, remove the brass block. Lift slightly from the rear. It's on the track and you're ready to go.